Spring is here, and with it comes the perfect opportunity to gather with friends and family. Whether you're hosting a cozy brunch or a lively dinner party, having the right kitchenware can make all the difference. Today, we're diving into some must-have essentials that will not only elevate your hosting game, but also make it more enjoyable and stress-free. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Now is the perfect time to upgrade or complete your kitchenware collection with our amazing spring season sale. Let's explore some of the fantastic deals available and help you select the perfect items for your spring gatherings. First up, let's talk about flatware. Selecting the right flatware or silverware is crucial for setting the tone of your event. Look for pieces that are not only durable but also match the aesthetic of your gatherings. For example, the Hiware 12-piece soup spoons are made from round stainless steel, making them perfect for soups and broths. If you're aiming for a vintage yet modern look, the Gourmet Settings 20-piece Silverware Montana collection features matte and polished stainless steel with a rustic black finish. For a more formal setting, the Mikasa Italian Countryside Stainless Steel Flatware 20-piece set offers elegance and timeless design. If convenience is your priority, especially for larger gatherings, the disposable serving utensils are a practical choice. And for those who love a pop of color, the Annova stainless steel flatware/cutlery set with colorful handles adds a vibrant touch to your table. Bakeware is another essential category. When selecting bakeware, it's important to consider factors like heat distribution, non-stick surfaces, and ease of cleaning. For instance, good heat distribution ensures that your baked goods cook evenly, preventing burnt edges and undercooked centers. Moreover, non-stick surfaces are crucial for easy release of your baked items, reducing the need for excessive greasing and making cleanup a breeze. In addition, ease of cleaning is vital. Look for bakeware that can be easily hand-washed or is dishwasher safe to save you time and effort. If you're looking for specific recommendations, the Nordicware Natural Aluminum Nonstick Commercial Bake Sheet is perfect for baking large batches with even heat distribution. On the other hand, if you need to cool dozens of cookies or treats, the Wilton 3-tier folding cooling grid is ideal and collapses for easy storage. For a durable and non-stick option, the ProBake set of 2 medium non-stick cookie pans are great for cookies and more. Similarly, Calphalon nonstick bakeware is known for its high quality, ensuring even baking and easy release. For those who enjoy individual servings with a festive touch, the Staub Cocotte Cocotte is a charming choice. Meanwhile, the Rachael Cucina nonstick bakeware baking sheet offers versatility and style, making it a great addition to any kitchen. For baking bread, the Pyrex Basics 1.5 QT loaf dish is a kitchen staple that never disappoints. Finally, if you're working with a compact oven, the Breville 10 enamel baking pan is designed for smaller batches, making it a practical choice. Serveware is all about presentation. The right platters, bowls, and serving utensils can turn a simple meal into a feast for the eyes. When choosing serveware, consider the size and shape of the dishes you'll be serving, as well as the overall theme of your event. For instance, the Gibson Home Gracious Dining Dinnerware 3-tier rectangle plate set with metal stand is perfect for displaying appetizers and desserts in a visually appealing way. For serving dips, snacks, and more, the triple ceramic serving bowl set with stand offers a stylish tiered presentation, making it easy for guests to help themselves. And while not traditionally serveware, the Grate & Wood traditional box spring/foundation for mattress can be creatively repurposed for rustic presentations, adding a unique and charming touch to your table. The right serveware not only enhances the visual appeal of your dishes, but also makes it easier for guests to enjoy the food, creating a more enjoyable and memorable dining experience. Don't miss out on Amazon's spring season sale, running until March 11th, 2025. This is your chance to get these essential kitchenware items at unbeatable prices. Whether you're looking for new flatware, bakeware, or serveware, we've got you covered. Visit our website to explore the full range of products and take advantage of special discounts and exclusive deals. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and kitchen inspiration. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching.